Hey guys, happy Wednesday or Wednesday afternoon. It's almost the end of the day here, and I wanted to kind of bring up something that's really important. And what I'm bringing up is because I'm getting phone calls, emails, texts. People are getting letters from the IRS right now. Letters range from everything from you owe penalties, you haven't filed your tax returns, you name it. They're getting letters from the IRS. And here's the thing. As I mentioned in previous videos and blog posts, the IRS has been completely backlogged when it comes down to opening up mail. In fact, at one time earlier this year, they had over 10 million pieces of unopened mail. Over 10 million pieces of unopened mail. They were literally taking mail as it came in. And this was whether it was a payment, it might have been you paper filed a tax return for whatever reason, you were responding to a notice, a variety of different reasons why you would mail something to the IRS. A lot of that stuff was taken and stuck literally into boxes and put into warehouses, into trailers. And because of COVID, the IRS had dramatically shut down or limited their operations. Well, I just saw this article here. This came on Bloomberg Tax. The IRS mail backlog persists, and they still have 5 million pieces of unopened mail. That includes maybe payments, checks that you may have sent them. It may include, as I mentioned earlier, paper returns. Maybe you responded to a notice that you got. Anything. They're literally still 5 million pieces of unopened mail. And this article goes on to say that you may be getting notices that you owe a penalty for not filing your tax return, but you filed your tax return. The problem is, it's sitting in one of their trailers and nobody's opened up the mail yet. So, and a very funny thing is, again, I'm getting these phone calls and emails literally over the last 24 hours. Then I actually get a piece of mail today. It was from one of my clients. I'm going to bring it in here. Take a look at this letter. I literally just got it a few days ago. And it says, we received one of these items from you back on February 13th, and we still need 90 additional days to look over the information. So even though they're opening up the mail, they may not be responding back to you immediately. They're just, you'll literally get a letter like this specifically stating, we got your mail, we haven't done nothing to it, we need an additional 90 days. That's literally taking us into December, maybe the beginning of the year. So my advice right now, if you get anything from the IRS, one, open up the mail. Look at it. What is it? Are they saying they haven't received your tax return? And you did send your tax return. Maybe it hasn't been opened. Are they saying that you owe penalties for something that maybe you didn't? They're giving you a penalty for not filing a tax return, but you filed a tax return. Again, read the letter in detail, see what it is. I've had people call me up. My check still hasn't been cashed by the IRS that I used to pay my taxes. That's right. IRS hasn't cashed a lot of those checks because they're sitting in some unopened mailbox. So open up the mail, read the mail. Don't panic is the next thing, but definitely read the mail. If you have questions in regards to the letter that you got, one of the things I am seeing a lot of, they think it's an IRS letter and it's usually advertisement by somebody. If you get a letter, it might be the IRS collections. The IRS does use third-party collectors now. You want to really read the letter, and if you need assistance with any of that, you can always book an appointment, a phone appointment, call taxea.com, or reach out to me via email. I'll be more than happy to kind of get back to you in regards to that. With that, I'm going to let you go. Have a happy Thursday evening. I think I'm going to have a couple glasses of wine tonight. Been a stressful few days here. With that, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye for now.